Welcome. For Midhuna Rasi or Gemini moon sign, Jupiter is transiting into your own Rasi on 31st of May 2013 and is there till 18th of June 2014. He was in your 12th house and now he has come to your own Rasi. Ketu is in a very powerful position. Saturn is in exaltation with Rahu. So, the losses or the sufferings you had in the past, you will be in a position to overcome all these problems. But in career, there were uncertainties in your career or in business, but now it will be stabilized. But it will take you so much of your hard work and stress will be there, but don't worry. If you work when Jupiter is in your Rasi, you will get a very big result when Jupiter moves to the next Rasi. So this is the time, even though there are stress, do not worry about it. You keep going. You will have a very big growth next year. And in terms of your personal life, surely you will get married if you are not. And whatever problems were there in personal or marital life, in relationships, you will surely come out of all the problems and you will lead a life full of happiness. You don't have to worry about it. The only thing is you need to take care of your health, and during travel you need to have enough caution. Saturn in the 5th house will give you whatever ancestral properties you are expecting or whatever is supposed to come. Litigation, legal problems, whatever it is there in your life, it will be solved. Yes, a direction will come to you where you will be in a position to solve it. And with respect to children, they will be blessed and auspicious celebrations are there in your family. If you want to buy a property, or you will be getting benefits out of properties and vehicles. And in business, business will be good, but in terms of revenue, it may not be to the level of your expectation, but don't worry, it will come. And you will have to be very careful in handling finance. There could be so much of expenses which you need to have control on it to overcome the problems or to avoid unwanted commitments. These are all the general predictions for Gemini or Mithuna Rasi. One important aspect I need to tell you. Out of 9 planets, there is a planet called Moon. The Moon, which is placed by the time of your birth, is what we call it as a Rasi. For example, by the time of your birth, Moon was in Gemini, that is Mithuna Rasi. Then you say, I am Gemini or Mithuna Rasi. But that Moon alone could not decide your entire fate. Remaining 8 planets are there, and out of 12 people born in this world, one will be born with your Rasi. It is not that everybody will have the same life as yours, but the time of birth and date of birth and place of birth makes all the difference, from which we generate horoscopes which you will be having. From that horoscope we will come to know your ascendant or lagna, which are all your favorable planets, where they are placed, which are all your bad planets, where they are placed and in which way they will give troubles, and what is the dasa and antardasa which is running now, plus what is the present condition of the other planets with respect to a Rasi. Taking into account in all these considerations only, you will be in a position to get 100% results. Basically, you are blindly seeing the effect of Mithuna Rasi or Gemini moon sign will not give 100%, you will get only 30 to 40% maximum. To get 100% result, you need to get the predictions from your basic birth horoscope. How to get those predictions? It is very easy. We have developed a website. It is yourgoodtime.in. In our website, you just go into the website, create a free account, give all the details of your name, date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, like that. and after submitting it, the first time in the world, you will get your own personalized predictions for your own horoscope. It's not general predictions, it is your own horoscope predictions you will get in video. From there, you will come to know the 100% of how your future will be. Go and see the website and see where you stand. Thank you so much.